The last 2 weeks I've been the husband, I've been the wife. I've been going to the mountain.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away.
Excited. You see, I was craving for this, so I decided to take care of it by myself. Very quickly, you guys know my epic prayers.
Minus Satan plus God. Amen. 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 Alright guys, welcome to today's
edition of Elsie and the Girls. I'm missing something, but anyway, that's fine. So, I decided to do this to fill in for exquisite mama. I'm missing her doing her thing, but it is what it is. Today, I'm actually eating yam and egg. You see, this is one of the most favorite bachelor food in Lagos, Nigeria. I don't know about other places in the world, but this was one of our favorite. But I decided to spice it up with sardine. Grandma was just staring at me, was wondering. She hasn't seen me cook before. And I'm like, don't worry, mama, I got this one. So I actually started boiling the yam before remembering that I could just video this to give to exquisite mama to show you guys my cooking skills. I wish I could invite you guys. If you ask me how it feels to be a husband this last couple of weeks, I'll tell you guys, to be a man is not a day job. Being a husband and a father during challenging times, you don't want to pray for your enemy to be in that shoes. The last 2 weeks I've been the husband, I've been the wife, I've been everything. You see, grandma is my lifesaver. Grandma was not there, I'll pass out. But excusing mama is good.
So I didn't show you guys the first bite. It's not too late. This was so good. I was craving for it. So when the squeezy mama sent me to the market, I quickly bought the yam.
Excusing mama don't really like to buy the yam because it feels it's so expensive. Yam and egg. It's a quick cook that you can take care of business with very quickly. So good. So, marriage institution is one institution that nobody prepares you for it. I just wish it was all about honeymoon. When you go honeymooning, but unfortunately, it's beyond that. When issues of life begin to strike, listen guys, there is no script somewhere that will guide you on how to do it. Both of you will put your head together and figure it out. It's been crazy, challenging 6 weeks. I'm still standing. I am still standing. So, it didn't stop me to enjoy this meal. So, for those of you that are married, listening to me, tell me what it means to be a man and a husband and a father. Above all, a hustler. Well, as a Nigerian man concerned, we got it. The squeezy mama is having fun. Because right now, she sends me on all errands. She sends me to the store to go shopping.
Will you keep quiet?
Sometimes I get to the store, I'm lost. I don't know what to buy. Squeezy mama will have to send me a list while I'm in the office. Ask me to go and get some stuff in the market. Isn't that crazy? Well, don't say, is it that bad? Well, she might tell you if she wants to tell you what happened. But just know it's challenging. Put us in your prayers. We'll come out of it stronger. You'll be thinking, I'm supposed to be fasting. Yes, I have, don't worry. If I don't make my belly strong now, I won't be able to watch over a squeezy mama for you guys. So you guys encourage me to eat, okay? Sometimes African demons need this kind of food to have energy to take care of it. But when you want to do standing and kabashing, you know, you need energy. I've been going to the mountain on behalf of a squeezy mama and everybody in this house. So I'm trying to be a super husband. I'm not saying I'm one, no. I'm trying to. This food is so good. Fried egg with vegetables, tomato, pepper, onions, and a kind of sardine, you know. So, for those of you that are married, I'm sure you can relate what I'm saying. See, for the men, I greet on that. Well done. You guys are doing a great job. You see, we try to be supportive. We don't just check DNA to be sure that it's our babies. We stand by them when things are falling apart. We stand gidigba. So good. So I'm almost finishing the food, and I'm missing the food as the food is finishing because I wish it was still much. It's been so quiet in the house. Everything seems to be on standstill. We're gonna be back stronger. The devil is a liar.
Thank God for the gadgets. We can video by ourselves. You guys should not mind all the errors you find on the bottom. We're not as professional as a squeezy mama would be.
This thing is so good. So, in Lagos, we do like this. When food is this good, you use your hand and finish it like this.
Child.
Jesus is Lord.
Don't look at me like you don't know what I'm doing. Don't form like you've not done it before. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. I'll try my best again to come up with something else that was inspired by being lazy at home, being a daddy, a husband, and the errand boy. Alright, exquisite people. Time out.